Naturally, enthusiasm is growing, particularly within the Shiba Inu community, as we approach a new 4-year bull cycle following the recent U.S. elections. The outlook is alluring with Satoshi Kusama's massive updates and analysts' audacious price projections. However, it's important to avoid getting too excited because many of you might not survive this cycle because you probably don't have enough Shiba Inus to really benefit from this bull run. What is the precise amount required, then? Important data about Shiba Inus were revealed in a new, comprehensive analysis that was published today. What is the actual amount required to become wealthy, then? According to Intiblock, today is a historic day for Shiba Inus because of the incredible increase in whale activity that is occurring, with net flows surging by an astounding 7,400%. Big players are acquiring Shiba Inus at a rate never seen before, as seen by the rise in net flows for major holdings. This substantial jump indicates that these so-called whales are boosting their Shiba Inu holdings, which frequently indicates optimism about the coin's future. Just consider that figure 7,400%. It's virtually off the charts, not just a little uptick. Investors may view these kinds of numbers as encouraging because they don't come up very often. They begin to think, hey, something big might be coming after noticing this. People question whether whales are merely banking on a future boom or if they know something we don't. Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, joined in the community celebration, adding to the excitement. She wrote, "History will repeat," in a post on X. They ignore you at first, then they make fun of you, then they fight you, and finally you win. Her remarks strike a deep chord with Shiba Inu supporters, reminding everyone of their own path and how, although Shiba Inu was initially disregarded, perhaps even scoffed at it, has now acquired enough traction that influential people are starting to take it seriously. Lucy's message serves as a kind of rallying cry, acknowledging the community's progress while teasing potential future developments. It serves as motivation for holders to persevere, maintain patience, and hang on to the hope that significant successes may yet be forthcoming. However, this is just the beginning. As Bitcoin hit new highs, U.S. funds experienced a record-breaking net inflow of $1.38 billion in a single day, demonstrating the enormous demand for cryptocurrencies. Naturally, BlackRock's fund led this jump, drawing $1.12 billion in capital alone. This indicates growing interest from conventional investors who desire regulated access to Bitcoin, so it's not simply hype. Retail investors now have more options than ever before to access digital assets thanks to the introduction of structured, compliant investment options by major players like BlackRock. Adoption of cryptocurrencies is mostly driven by the retail sector. The market gains increased trading volume, interest, and visibility when individual investors join. Consider a brand new eatery that is coming to town. It might not generate much local buzz if just large corporations are interested, but as regular people begin to visit and talk about it, others want to see it for themselves. The same is true of cryptocurrency. Its acceptance grows as more regular investors participate. As institutions provide safe and secure cryptocurrency investing, retail investors currently play a crucial role. The chance for more people to participate keeps expanding. Retail interest is contributing to the current buzz around Bitcoin and the accessibility offered by funds like BlackRock's, demonstrating how far the cryptocurrency has come since its inception. But today, everything was different. In a single day, Shiba Inu witnessed a sharp decline in the number of on-chain transactions. Shiba Inu's large transactions dropped precipitously from 6.3 trillion to 2.5 trillion. The same major stakeholders that were pushing the price of Shiba Inu higher have abruptly cooled off due to this decline in whale activity. The community is rocked when whales retreat in this way because it may indicate that big investors are reconsidering their investment. Everyone was ecstatic about whales gaining more Shiba Inus just yesterday, but now the situation is reversed. Previously exuberant investors are now experiencing a surge of anxiety. People wonder if the surge was short-lived and worry that Shiba Inu may lose steam when such a significant change occurs overnight. Here's something important to comprehend, though. Although this type of decline may seem concerning, it is actually a rather typical aspect of how markets function. Whales, or large investors, come and go, changing their positions according to market conditions and personal strategies. A decline in whale activity does not necessarily indicate that Shiba Inus are in danger or that a negative event is imminent. After a rise, it's typical for major players to sit back and wait for the next opportunity or pocket winnings. Not just cryptocurrency markets exhibit this pattern. A slowness usually signifies a quiet moment before a move, but it doesn't signify the end. These pauses may even be advantageous, enabling the market to regroup and forge a more solid foundation. But today, everyone's attention is on one important factor: Shiba Inu's recent 177% increase. The price approached the crucial 0.000000042 level and reached a multi-month high. But now there is a significant obstacle in its path. Approximately 15,800 wallets that were bought between the current price and 0.0000042 have 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, according to data from Into the Block. There is a lot of selling pressure because these holders are currently losing money. Approximately $250 million, or nearly a third of Shiba Inu's current spot market trading volume, is the actual amount of this pressure. The market would have to take in this enormous volume of sellers if Shiba Inus were to overcome this obstacle. Shiba Inu may break through and hit new highs if purchasing momentum continues to be strong and overcomes this obstacle. However, Shiba Inu is currently up against one of its most difficult trials in a long time. The Shiba Inu community is having a lot of discussions about this revelation. Traders and investors are keeping a careful eye on Shiba Inu to see if it will pull back or if it can survive this selling pressure. It's a worrisome time for holders since the way things play out will reveal whether Shiba Inu can continue its bullish momentum or indicate a pause. Some analysts are looking at this with new hope, even though the market appears to be on edge. An analysis of Shiba Inu's performance in comparison to Dogecoin by renowned investment research firm Sina Research indicates that it may be poised for a significant resurgence. They think Shiba Inu's recent price behavior against Dogecoin and the dollar is encouraging, and that it might even surpass Dogecoin in the coming year. According to their data, Shiba Inu has gained significant support against Dogecoin over time at important levels. Buyers intervene each time it hits these levels to stop additional drops. The price has recovered from this support level on multiple occasions, yielding notable gains. Since it appears that this pattern is recurring, analysts are speculating that Shiba Inu may soon rise and perhaps double in value. This is encouraging for Shiba Inu owners. Analysts speculate that Shiba Inu might be preparing for a big rally given the strong support and possible upside. Here's something intriguing to consider when we consider the voyage of the Shiba Inu. Recently, Crypto Basic looked at the current value of a modest 2020 Shiba Inu investment. The outcomes are remarkable. Considering the initial cost of Shiba Inu, a $10 investment would today be worth almost $126,000. Back then, $100 would have been worth more than $1 million, and $1,000 would have produced more than $12 million. This demonstrates Shiba Inu's remarkable rise, surpassing almost all other top 100 cryptocurrencies since their inception. These kinds of tales give hope for the future, particularly in light of current events that have rekindled interest. How do you feel about these developments? Tell us in the comments below. Make sure you click on one of the videos that are shown on the screen if you want to learn more. Additionally, don't forget to activate this channel's notification bell. Failing to do so could cost you opportunities. Spread the word about this video by sharing it widely